Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact tools and parts so you don't stop mid-job. Power the car off, remove the body clip, then unbolt the wheel with the hex driver. You want clean access. Once off, pry the tire bead gently with pliers while holding the rim so you don't bend it. Check the hub and wheel hex for stripped splines. This matters because a bad hub can mimic a tire failure. Make sure to photograph orientation for the next steps. Once the tire is off, separate inner foam or tube carefully. Keeping orientation prevents fit issues later. You locate the puncture by submerging the inflated tube or tire in water or by feeling for escaping air. Mark it so you won't lose the spot. For small holes, roughen the area, apply tire glue, press a patch, and let set. For split bead, reseat with new glue or swap in a replacement tire or foam insert. This preserves handling. You now reseat the tire onto the rim, making sure the bead sits evenly all around. Glue any seams and trim excess. Once cured, reinstall the wheel, tighten the nut to a snug but not over-tight torque so the wheel spins free without wobble. Take a low-speed test run and observe steering and vibration. If you feel vibration, check balance and bead seating first. If issues persist, inspect hub splines and wheel hex. These often cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.